Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT transformer health monitoring system and controlling. So here health parameters of this transformer. So the transformer ratings are 230 volts to 12 volts AC 2 amps transformer, and we are going to monitor the health parameters like voltage, current and temperature from this LM35, voltage current from this potentiometers, and frequency from this PC817 optocoupler, and also oil level indicator with help of this SR04 ultrasonic sensors. So these 5 parameters continuously monitored by our PIC16F 877A microcontroller based on the abnormality. If the voltage is above 240 or below 180, if the current is above 200 milliamps, and if the temperature is above 50 degrees centigrade, if the frequency is less than the 49 hertz, and if the oil level is less than the 70%. So these are the abnormal conditions. Based on that, we are going to protect the transformer by isolating the load with help of this electromagnetic relay. So the status continuously monitor on this 16:2 LCD screen. For every abnormality, the relay will be controlled and the buzzer will get switched on. So here we have interfaced this sensor board at A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 pins, and the next ultrasonic sensor interface at the D0, D1, and relay interface at the pin number E2, LCD pin number B22, B7, and the next buzzer interface at the pin number D2, and the Wi-Fi module interface at the C6, C7 pin of our microcontroller. So on this motherboard, so this is a crystal oscillator which is used to provide the 20 megahertz of clock frequency to the controller, so that controller can execute the instructions. So each instruction need one pulse, so that controller can execute 20 mega instructions per second, as we are providing 20 mega clock frequency to the system. And this is the reset switch to restart the microcontroller directly. So coming to this board, so on this board we are going to convert the AC to DC with help of this regulated power supply board. So here we can see the rectifier, so which will convert that pulsating AC signal to the pulsating DC directly, and then you will get the pure DC voltage. So the whole system getting power source from the 230 volts power cable. There is a power source to the transformer and to the load parallelly. So from here parallelly we are distributing that to the transformer and to the load through this relay. And this is the adapter which will take 230 volts AC and provide us the constant 5 volts DC output directly. So let us see demonstration. So as we discussed, the whole system getting uploaded the same sensors data to the ThingSpeak cloud platform with help of this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So this is the whole data we have loaded to this. Actually while we are scrolling, we are not supposed to touch this blue line, only like in between that graphs you can scroll this data. So now before on the kit, go to hotspot settings of your phone, change the hotspot name to project 5499, and password should be 123456789, and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. So here all are small letters without any space, without any capital letter, and password 129. Check twice before on the hotspot these settings. After on the hotspot and data, log into the ThingSpeak cloud platform. So when we log in, so it will show us like this, and now click on this IoT transformer. Right, now you can on the power supply to the transformer, and again same to the motherboard. Right, so after that welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen, and if the total conditions is normal status, then only the relay got switched on and the bulb will be on state, means the transformer is getting power supply to the load. Right, so now we can see one device is connected in your mobile phone in the hotspot settings. Right, see one device is connected. Now stay on the screen. So the data will be uploaded to the ThingSpeak cloud platform for every 15 seconds of duration, then only the data will be uploaded to the ThingSpeak. So as of now the live voltage and current are 215 volts, 141 milliamps and 95%. So whenever the oil level is low, right? So it is below 60%, then the bulb will get switched off by using the electromagnetic relay, and the so-called same status of this oil level will be uploaded to the ThinkSpeak. So if you want to download this, right, when I'm placing my hand, so how this ultrasonic sensor works, so it has two sections. One is a transformer, another is the receiver. So when the transmitter transmitter transmit the ultrasonic waves, then if we place any object in front of that, so the surface of the object will reflect those transmitted ultrasonic waves, and the same will be received by the receiver module after the reflection. So based on this reflection time, we are going to calculate the distance, right? So based on the distance, system will calibrate that distance to the percentage of oil level. So whenever there is no reflection from the surface, then automatically oil level low and is normal. So coming to the frequency, so the next is, so from the transformer input directly, the optocoupler will count the number of pulses for this AC signal, and that pulse is nothing but per second is calculated as a frequency. So then we'll get the 50 Hz based on the input. So if I remove that, zero frequency, again low frequency, alert message displayed on the LCD, again the load will get switched off. So coming to the same current also. Low current, no need of any alerts, only current increment. So this is a current potentiometer, just I'm increasing that in clockwise rotation. When it crosses the 200 milliamps of current, then automatically the bulb will be isolated. High current message will be displayed on the LCD screen. Again normal. Same for the voltage. High voltage, low voltage. So it's normal. When it is 180 below, it's considered as low voltage. Right. So now we got this data. So if you want to download this and if you want to erase the data, now go to data import export options as I'm showing here, and in that click on download. So it will be downloaded and open that. You will get the data in Excel sheet along with date and time. This is the date and time, and how many entries till now taken, means how many data was collected. And the first is the voltage and current and temperature and frequency and oil level. So like this we will get the data in Excel sheet. And after you downloaded this data, if you want to erase the old data to get the fresh data, now go to channel settings, clear channel, only do clear channel. Okay, and now go to private view to check the live data, channel settings to erase the old data, data import exports to download the fresh data. So now let us increase the temperature now. So whenever the temperature increases 50 degrees centigrade, then automatically high temperature message will be displayed. See, now we got the fresh data again. So this data can be accessed from anywhere in the world, as we are providing internet by switch on the hotspot here. So you can access this ThinkSpeak.com from any other mobile phone which has a data. So only by using your mobile phone data and hotspot, it will send the data to the ThinkSpeak, and this data can be accessed from any mobile phone from anywhere in the world directly.